In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload PPT on Google Drive link. By the end, you'll have your PowerPoint safely stored in Google Drive and a shareable link you can send to anyone. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. This takes you straight to Google Drive where your cloud files live. You'll see your folders and files on the main screen, and in the top left, there's a button labeled New. Click New, then choose File Upload. A file picker will appear from your computer. Navigate to the location where your PowerPoint is saved and select the .ppt or .pptx file you want to upload. Both formats work fine. Click Open to begin the upload. You'll notice an upload status box appear, usually at the bottom right of the screen. That progress indicator shows you how much has uploaded. Large files or slower connections may take a bit longer, so keep the browser tab open until it completes. When it's done, you'll see the file appear in your Drive list. That's your confirmation that the upload worked. At this point, your PPT is safely stored in Drive and backed up to your Google account, so you can access it from any device with an internet connection. Now let's make it shareable and get a link. In Google Drive, right-click the PPT you just uploaded. From the menu, select Share. A sharing window will open. Look for the section labeled General Access. By default, it's set to Restricted, which means only people you specifically add can open the file. Click that setting and change it to Anyone with the link. This makes the file accessible to anyone who has the link, but it won't appear publicly in search results. Next, set the permission level. Viewer is the safest choice if you just want people to see the presentation without making changes. If you need feedback directly on the file, choose Commenter. If you want collaborators to edit the presentation, choose Editor. Pick the level that matches your needs. Finally, click Copy Link. You'll see a confirmation that the link has been copied to your clipboard. You can now paste it into an email, chat, document, or anywhere else you need to share it. If you ever want to tighten access later, return to Share and switch General Access back to Restricted or adjust permissions as needed. That's it. You've uploaded your PowerPoint to Google Drive and created a shareable link in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.